Genesis GV80. Overview. Genesis has made just a few nips and tucks to the GV80 this year. Every trim gets a standard Wi-Fi hotspot with the ability to connect to 5 devices. The Cardiff Green and Brunswick Green exterior colors are no longer available, nor is the Maroon Brown and Smoky Green two-tone interior. The advanced package comes with a power folding third row, and it sacrifices its compact spare for a tire repair kit. The Prestige Signature trim returns to the lineup after taking a year off, available in 3 color combinations. Mana Red exterior over a black interior, Brunswick Green Matte over Urban Ground and Beige, and Vic Black over Black. All 3 sport dark chrome exterior trim. Engine, transmission, and performance. This midsize luxury crossover has the same underpinnings as the G80 sedan and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The engine choices start with a 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and escalate to a 375 HP twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. We hustled the turbo 4 to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds on our test track. The V6 model cut that time to a brisk 5.3 seconds. After driving both versions of the GV80, we can say that the new SUV feels athletic